everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. You guys, I have a really cute project to share with you today, and this is using one of our Stampin' Up envelopes, and it is super cute, super easy to put together. So I'm going to show you how I made today's project. I am using a very vanilla medium-sized envelope. I will also be using the clear envelopes, and that's going to be what I'm going to stick my cookies into. I went ahead and die cut with the layering circles some Bermuda Bay. The designer series paper I'm using is from the Myths and Magic, one of my favorites right now. So I'm going to show you how we do today's project. I have my Stampin' trimmer, and you are going to line the bottom of the envelope up at the 1-inch mark, and you are going to score it. You are then going to line it up again at the 1-inch mark, and you're going to score up to that mark that you just made, that 1-inch score line. You're going to rotate it, and you're going to do the same. Line it up at the 1-inch mark and score only down to that 1-inch horizontal mark, like so. You're then going to go diagonally, and from that point you're going to score it to the corner, like so, from there to there. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side. Okay. I have some crumb cake ink. The stamp set that I'm using today is from the Petal palette, and I'm using the dots and then the word that says from the heart. And I'm just going to, now I usually like to do the stamping before I do my scoring and stuff, so I am going to stamp, and you want to stamp above the score line. So you're just going to go all the way across, move that out the way. So what I have in mind, I have pretty much cookies that I bought at the dollar store. They came in a tin like this, and of course I don't want people to see that I didn't bake the cookies myself, so I put them in the clear envelopes. And then I stamped from the heart up there. I also put in a little Starbucks gift card, which is fun to go with the cookies. And then I did the same on the other side. I just went ahead above the score line. From the heart. Perfect. What you're going to do now is you are going to fold up on that score line, grab your bone folder, fold it the opposite way, you are then going to open your envelope, and you are going to find those score marks you made. You're going to pinch it down, so you're making a point on that side. so. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some tear and tape just to push those flaps down. We don't want those jangling and being open. So I've got some tear and tape. These are great if you have kids in school to give to the teachers. You just want to put your hand in, fold that down, and then kind of reinforce it a little bit while your hands are on the inside. Super cute. You are going to take the top of your envelope and you're going to actually just tuck it in. Like so. You are going to add your stuff. Again, I have cheap cookies from the dollar store. Literally, these were $1. And I just added 4 cookies. Now, obviously, if I was going to be giving this to anybody, I'd be wearing gloves. Unless it's a family member, and then in that case they don't care. So I just took 4 cookies, I opened the bag, folded that down, and I added 2 of those. I added 2. Okay, I then used some ribbon and I tied ribbon around it. Just to keep the cookies and stuff in place. So I tied ribbon and then I finished it off and I popped this up on some dimensionals and I added it to my project. Super cute, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's project. I hope you'll give it a try. Head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com, and I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day and an awesome weekend. Be safe. Take care.